The power of mirror neurons. Why yawning is contagious. Have you ever noticed that all it takes is for someone near you to yawn, and suddenly you feel the urge to yawn too? Strange, right? But it's no coincidence. This happens because your brain has a powerful secret, mirror neurons. Mirror neurons are special cells that mimic what we see in others. They help us learn by observing, feel empathy, and even connect socially. When someone yawns, your mirror neurons interpret this act and, without you realizing it, your brain triggers the same reflex. It's like a neural shortcut to stay connected as a group. Amazing, right? Next time someone yawns near you, remember, it's your brain showing how we're wired to